Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use the Card.co website builder if you are a beginner. So, the first thing that we are going to do here is to open any of our web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Card.co. That's right. Okay, and then after that, you will be redirected to this website. And here, as you can see at the top right, we have these three horizontal lines. So we can log in, sign up. We can also get answers and instructions. We can also learn what's new. We can go to pro, or we can send our questions and comments to their teams. So first, as we are going to create a free card account, so tap on this option, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here, you can also use this form to create an account, or simply go this link to TriCard without signing up. So you can actually, build your website first before you can sign up for an account. But yeah, I'm going to do here is to, create my site first. Okay, and then create our password. All right. And then you just have to confirm your password and then make sure to check this box that you can find here and tap on the sign up option. Okay, so let me just answer this captcha. Okay, so after creating your account, you'll then just, are directed to the dashboard. So first, I'm going to introduce to you what is the car.co. So you can build one-page sites for pretty much anything. So whether it's a personal profile, a landing page to capture emails, or something a bit more elaborate, Card has you covered. So it is simple, responsive, and totally free. So you can start with one of dozens of templates. You can also, start with a blank page. So all of the template that you can find here are all responsive. Okay, and yeah, it is free, but there are some template with premium label, so you have to subscribe or upgrade your plan. So now let us choose a starting point. So this one, and then after that, you'd be able to see here now all of the templates. So we have for profile templates, landing templates, form, portfolio, and section. So if you want to start with a blank page, so you just have to go here. So for example, I am going to create a profile page. All right, so let me just find a perfect template right here. For example, this one. So you can preview this template before actually customizing this one first. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So you can add here socials and then your name, your profile, and then other details. So if you're good to go, you can also switch to mobile view to see if this template is actually responsive. So this is how it looks like in the mobile view. After that, you just have to tap on the select option. Okay, and then now you can start customizing this template. So let's start with the background. Okay, so you can upload your own background, show your image, or pick from your library. So for the background style, we have color, gradient, image, video, and slideshow. So I'm just going to pick from library. Okay, so I'm just going to select a random image. For example, this one. Okay, so you already have here now your image. And then right here, after customizing your background, you can also add an animation. Okay. And then here for your icons, you just have to tap on your icons. That's right. And then here you have your type. Okay, so I'm just going to select X for this one. And then of course, your social link. So your Twitter account link, you have to paste it right here. So when someone tap on this icon, they will be directed to your account. Okay, so I can also change the background and the other info as well. Okay, and then for example, for a Fed's account, if you have, Then you just have to add here the link as well. And for social media account, so we have our Facebook account or your Facebook page. So you also need to put here your Facebook link. For Instagram, we also have that, and of course, your email. And then if you'd like to, change your um, appearance, so you just have to go here. For the style, we have solid, we have default, and then outline. So I think the solid is the perfect one for this. So we can highlight the icons. Okay, after that, you just have to tap on the done option. And of course, you just have to, tap on this one so that you can add here your own name. Okay, and then for your bio or the description of this website, so you just have to go here and then add your own description. Okay, so you can add animation for each item that you have here. So if you'd like to add new elements, you just have to tap on this plus icon that you can find here. So you can add text, image, video, list, buttons, links, icons, and more. Okay, so to show you properly what are the functions of these icons that we can find here. Okay, so for this one, to add elements like text, images, and etc. This one is to undo your previous action and to redo your next action. And for the preview animation, we have this one. And then for switching to different views, so we have this one. And for the publish and site, so we have this option. And for the more action, so we have that right here. Now to publish your site, so tap on this option and then tap on the publish option. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, then make sure to create your account, and then once done, you're now good to go. So basically, the core.co is relevant because it allows anyone to create a simple, clean one page website quickly without needing technical skills. It's ideal for personal brands, freelancers, students, and small businesses who want to showcase information like a bio, portfolio, service offer, or links in one place. So, since it is easy to use and affordable, it can get an online fast without spending much money or time. So Car.co is also useful for marketing and content creators because it works well for landing pages, LinkedIn bio pages, and promotions. You can connect your own domain, add forms, buttons, and integrations, and update content anytime. So overall, it is a practical tool for people who want a professional online presence without the complexity of full website builders. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.